What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Mateo. If you are new here, I travel full-time in this 2001 self-converted Ford E250 with my cat Lars, and we are at the beach in Louisiana right now. And I've been editing all day. I'm doing Vlogmas. I'm posting every single day. Filming, editing, posting every single day. This one video took me a little bit. It's about to get dark. It's already 4 o'clock. It gets dark around 4:45. I need to be in Texas. So we're going to drive straight through the night until we get to where we need to go, or until I get so tired I can't drive anymore. But yeah, let's get ready to hit the road. By the way, if you are enjoying my journey, or if you want to keep up with it, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Right now, I have a goal to hopefully get 100K subscribers and get my YouTube plaque by my birthday, which is in January. So if you want to follow along, no big deal. Press the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, and it really helps me and Lars do what we do, travel, and see this amazing world. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, let's hit the road. Let's hit the road, Bubby. She give me love, 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 crazy love. Okay, this is officially too much rain for me. It's time to stop somewhere. I am so sleepy. I'm ready to pass out right now. I'm in a small town called Corsicana, Texas. I pulled over here because I saw that there was like a lot of places. I just assumed that like Ireland would have something for me to go off of, and literally there's nothing for me to go on. In this entire area, there's like nothing. I could drive 30 more minutes to a Love's, but I don't know if I got 30 minutes in me. There is a Planet Fitness in this town, but there's no information on it, and it's closed. So I think I'm gonna have to risk it for that biscuit tonight, and just try to really do some stealth camping at this Planet Fitness. It's only a mile away, and honestly, it sounds pretty good right now. I'm ready to crash and go to bed. So let's head to Planet Fitness. Hopefully we won't get a knock or anything, because I'm exhausted. Let's go. That might be a bit of good news. There's one like RV trailer over there. I'm not sure if they're like an actual like nomad or maybe just like a company thing, but that's an RV trailer attached to a truck. So but besides that, this Planet Fitness parking lot is completely empty. But honestly, at this point, it is what it is. I'm so sleepy. Like, I don't want to get the knock. I really don't. I've been doing this for coming up on 2 years in a few days, and I've never gotten the knock before. So I know, statistically speaking, the chances of it happening are like only getting higher. But at this point, I just need to go to sleep. All right, guys, I'm tucked away by a big bush right here. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because I don't want to. Right now I have the lights on and I don't want to draw any attention. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully we don't get a knock and we can just start our day like normal. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Peace.
Imagine he goes from like a redneck with a gun to like, the Vatican has sent me on a mission, like yeah, monster, yeah, no joke. He fires 2 more times, and then from the woods, right up against the river, across from the trailer, it sounds like something is slowly gibbering. It sounds almost like a woman and a cat in a bag screaming together.
So I think it's about time that I tell you guys what I'm actually doing, why I've been driving all through the night, and what the plan is for this week. So I'm currently in Texas. I'm near Dallas, I think. And I actually got invited to a nomadic Christmas party that's happening today. So I really need to get everything ready. I have to get some stuff. There's gonna be a gift giving thing, so I gotta buy a gift for that. I want to provide some kind of food, and I do want to make a special thing that you guys will see later. But the thing that I have not told you guys is that I am going to be cleaning the van up as best as I can, because Lars and I are not going to be the only person staying in this van for the rest of the week. We're going to have a guest. And you guys will just have to wait to see who that guest is. Yeah. So yeah, I need to go do laundry and I need to vacuum out the car. So I'm going to go to a car wash or something like that. And then yeah, we'll be ready to go pick up our guest and head to our party. So let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm about to go through all my clothes. I still have a lot of spring and summer clothes in the van. I'm going to gather all those up and donate them because I really don't have space for all the clothes that I do have. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now, and then we're gonna vacuum everything out and then go do laundry and then donate some stuff probably today or tomorrow. All right, van is vacuumed up. I just gotta wash those clothes and wash those sheets, and we're all good. right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. This is just like a preparation day because obviously I'm about to go to a party and pick up a guest. So I wanted to make sure the van was clean. Laundry is in. I'm just waiting for that to get done, and then we're gonna head to go pick up our passenger and head to a nomadic Christmas party, which you guys will be seeing tomorrow. So definitely check in for that one. Make sure to subscribe if you want to keep up with this Vlogmas. This has been so much fun thus far. I love giving you guys full-length vlogs daily. It's a lot of work, don't get it wrong, and I don't really know how I'm gonna juggle a nomad party while also filming and also editing for you guys daily, but nevertheless, we shall get it done. So all I ask is that you guys leave a like, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can keep up with our journeys. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the next installation of Vlogmas. So until then, peace.